Hey, what's up everybody, welcome back to KLS Vlogs. I'm Kevin. Now this video is basically telling you guys that I'm really sorry for not uploading videos over the past couple of months. Reason for me not uploading videos is my laptop screen broke. As you can see, I had no thumbnail for this video and also no intro. Yeah, I don't have a laptop to edit my videos and my phone fell, so it cannot be used anymore. I'm currently using a friend's phone, but it's a very old phone, so I can't download any app to use to edit my videos. So this video just to tell you guys that I'm sorry for not uploading any videos for the past couple of months, and to thank you guys for the support that you guys have been giving me. I just checked my channel and I see that I still have subscribers. I was really shocked and surprised and really happy to see that you guys have still subscribed to me even though I haven't been uploading any videos. So now I'm here, just got home from work, and just to say thank you very much for the support that you guys have been giving me. And it just influenced me to make this video right now, to apologize to everyone who have been supporting me so far, everyone who's looking forward for videos from me. So yeah, I'm sorry. Continue to look out for videos from me, because as soon as I get back on my feet I will be uploading videos again. So yeah, I'm Kevin, this is KLS Vlogs, and I'm out. Bye.